Hello everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge Adapting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change angle of projection. So let's start. First we will load our standard template. Go to the file locations. User template. Just double click on the path. Select the path. I have saved it desktop drawing template. Select folder, apply, and OK. Now we will check the angle of projection for the template. Open. This is our standard template. File, settings, options. Here, drawing standard. Click on drawing standard. Right now it is with the third angle projection. Click OK. Close this template. File, new, drawing of active model. Browse your standard template. This is sky high learn. OK. Click OK. These are the views as per the third angle projection. So as per the third angle, top view will be at the top and right side view will be at the right. Now we will change this to the first angle projection. Close this. Again, open template, the standard template from your folder. Open. Go to the settings of this template. Option. The drawing standards. Now change it to the first angle. Apply. Click OK. Save this template and close. Now go to the file, new, drawing of active model. Now this is based on the first angle projection. The bottom view should be at the top and left side view at the right place. So this is the setting for the change of angle of projection in Solid Edge. More videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.